Hey guys, and welcome back to the Oh Hello Stationery Co. YouTube channel. Today I wanted to share with you a quick little cool thing about our Traveler's Notebooks. This is our B6 size with the brown back in the whimsical floral cover. This doesn't have any customization on it, but what's really awesome about our Traveler's Notebooks is just how many different things can fit inside of it. And so in today's video, I wanted to share with you that the Petite Planners from Erin Condren fit like a dream in this bad boy. So I first wanted just to show you what 3 of them look like in it. So I have the Start Each Day Gratitude Journal. Then there's also a pregnancy journal in here, as well as the baby tracker. So now I'm going to show you some up close and personal angles to show you just how well these fit in our B6s. So this is what it looks like from the top view with 3 in there. We have a 3-strap Traveler's Notebook, so each one sits in there really nicely, and you can see how it lays and how they kind of stick out a little bit on the edge, but that's just because this is a new Traveler's Notebook, and as you use our notebooks, they tend to adjust and fit whatever you have inside of it. So this is a view of the edge a little bit better. You can see that they actually do all fit in there nice and snug. And then I'm trying to figure out what other views you want to see of it. It's just 3 in there. I can show you how to put one in. I guess that'll be helpful. So you take the band off like so, and then you can just slide it on. These stretch out really well without worrying about pulling at the other bands because all of our bands are individual, so you don't have to worry about stretching anything out. You're just using one band at a time, and then they sit in there really nicely. So I thought this would be a really fun way to show you just how portable and easy these are to incorporate into your planning routine. I love the Petite Planners, so I loved that I can incorporate them into a Traveler's Notebook. That was one of my biggest pet peeves with them, was I wasn't exactly sure how to fit them into my routine or incorporate them into what I do. So they're super easy just to stick into a B6, and then you can put your other inserts in there, a calendar or what have you, and you'll be on your merry way. So that is it for today's video. A really quick, short, to the point. Our B6s fit the Petite Planners. How cool is that? I wanted to show you what they look like inside, and that is going to be it. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know if you want to see if other things fit into our Traveler's Notebooks. We are coming out with new designs. A5 is on the horizon, so definitely stay tuned for that, but let us know if you're curious what else fits in here. I know that Scribbles That Matter fit in here as well. But just let me know if you have any questions. Give this video a thumbs up if you're excited about our B6s holding Petite Planners. Subscribe to see more of these videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.